करो.
Another hour passed it. The night famed
Passed.
up. Passed.
हाँ.
Passed. The night famed up the cold with the wind. Halku sat up and bringing both knees tight against his chest, hit his face between them. But the cold was just as pitting. It seemed as though all this blood
Biting.
had
Head frozen.
frozen. That ice rather than blood filled his veins.
Filled, not felled. Filled.
Filled his veins.
His veins.
He leaned back.
He learned. He leaned. Leaned.
He
Yes.
leaned back to look at the skies.
Skies.
Skies. How much of the night was still left? The Dipper had not yet climbed half the sky. By the time it was overhead, it would probably be morning.
B.
Night was not even 3 hours gone. Only a stone's throw from Halku's field there was a mango grove. The leaves had
Field लिखा हुआ है. हल्कुस field.
field.
Yes. Field बोला तुम. फिर से पढ़ो. हल्कुस field.
Halku's field there was a mango grove. The leaves had begun to fall and begun to fall and they were heaped in
Hipped ही पढ़ेंगे. हिप में से जमा करना ढेर
heaped in the grove. Halku thought, if I go and get a pile of leaves, I can make a fire of them and keep warm. If anybody see me gathering the leaves in the dead of night, they will think it's a ghost. Of course, there's a change. Some animals hidden in my field waiting, but I can't stand sitting here any longer. He ripped up some
Stock. No. L silent. Stock.
from a nearby field made a
Broom.
broom
Broom out.
of them and picking up a lighted carved dung cake went towards the grove.
The grove.
Zebra watched him coming and ran to him wagging his tail. Halku said, I could not stand
I
couldn't stand it anymore. Zebra, come along. Let's go into the orchard and gather leaves to warm up with. When we are toasted, we will come back and sleep. The night's still far from over. Zebra barked his agreement and trotted on towards the orchard under the trees in which pitch dark and the darkness the bitter wind blow. Buffeting the leaves and drops of dew dripping from the dripped from the branches. Suddenly a gust carried the scent of henna. The scent of henna blows me to him. Where's that sweet smell comes from, Zebra?
Coming from.
Zebra, or can't your nose make out anything as fragrant as this? I had found a bone lying somewhere and he was chewing on it. Halku said, His fire down on the ground had begun to gather the leaves. His hands were frozen. His bare feet naked, but he had piled up a regular mountain of the leaves, and by making a fire out of them, he had burned away the cold. In a little while, the fire was
And in a little while, the fire was burning medley. The flames leapt upward, liking at the overheading branches. In the filtering light, the immense filtering कहाँ है?
flickering light, the immense trees of the grove looked as though they were carrying the vast darkness.
थ्रो नहीं है, looked as though. हाँ, ग्रूव पढ़ो वहाँ से ग्रूव.
Groove looked as though they were carrying the vast darkness on their heads. In the blissful sea of darkness, the firelight seems to pitch up toes like a boat. Halku sat before the fire and let it warm him. After a while, he took off his shawl and tucked it behind him. Then he spread out both feet as though challenging the cold to do
थ्रो नहीं है,
though
हाँ,
challenging the cold to do its worst. Victorious over the immense power of the winter, he could not
repress.
repress his bright in the
Bright कहाँ लिखा हुआ है?
bright B-R-I-T.
कहाँ है भी? P है ना?
pride in his tribute.
Triumph. Pride in his triumph.
Pride in his
Triumph. हाँ.
He said to Jabra, Well, Jabra, you are not cold now, are you, Jabra? But as though to say, how could I feel cold now? We should have thought of this plan before. Then we had never have become so chilled. Jabra would want wagged his tail. Fine. Now what do you say? We jump over the fire. Let's see how we manage it. But if you get scorched, I have got not medicine for you. Jabra looked fearfully at the fire. He must not.
ही कहाँ है? We है ना?
We must not tell Munni tomorrow, or there will be a row. With that, he jumped up and cleared the fire in one leap. He got his legs signed. But he did not care. Jabra ran around the fire and came up to him. Halku said, "Go on, no more of his. Jump over the fire. Of this, jump over the fire." He leapt again and come back to the other side.